Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Nazali Vlog and Recipes. Come along with me today and see how my day went. So let's get started. If you are my regular viewer, you already know my morning routine. But for my new viewers, let me quickly share with you. My alarm rings at 4 am and Alhamdulillah once I wake up, it's not difficult at all. I start my day with a glass of chia seeds soaked in a water with lemon juice. That's my refreshing morning drink. Then I pray tahajjud followed by some Quran recitation. Soon after, the Fajr Azan begins and I complete my Fajr prayer. There is some crow noise in the background, kindly ignore it. By 6 a.m., I step into the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Since it's the start of my kids' dasara holidays, I kept breakfast very simple vermicelli. My kids and husband don't prefer chicken in the morning, so I made it plain. But if you like, you can always add chicken, egg, or veggies of your choice. Here is how made it. In a pot, boil water with a little salt and oil. Add vermicelli and cook for 5 minutes. Don't break it, just press and push inside, drain and keep aside. In a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped and salt. Saute till translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell disappears. Add 1 chopped tomato and 1 chopped carrot. You can also add capsicum, but my kids don't like it, so I skipped it. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Add spices: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 packet Maggi masala, and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, half lemon juice. Mix everything well. Add the boiled vermicelli, toss nicely, garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot. I kept breakfast light because later in the day we had a wedding to attend. After finishing all my household chores, we got ready and headed to the wedding at Codel Hall, Mangalore. I will share some clips from the hall and surrounding, but not the bride and groom for privacy. And this is my little princess. My son was busy playing with his cousins, so I couldn't capture his clip this time. Inshallah, I will share it in the next vlog. And don't forget to tell me in the comments how my princess looks. And please do say Masha Allah. We met family members, had delicious food, and then returned home. In the evening, we went to Nilagiris of Derlakatte, where you get amazing Sev Puri, pav bhaji, one of our favorites. So we enjoyed that as well. For dinner, my son requested his favorite dish, tomato rice with squid fry, so I quickly made that at night. In a pressure cooker, add oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks and 1 sliced onion. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and fry until onion turns soft. Now add a paste of 3 tomato, 1 green chilli and handful of mint leaf. Unfortunately, I forgot to record it. Add 1 more chopped tomato. Add spices, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Fry well, adding a little water if needed. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. I added potato as well. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 3 glasses of water for my rice. Now add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Add washed rice, mix and sprinkle coriander leaves and pressure cook for 1 whistle. So our tomato rice is ready. So that was my full day, from my early morning routine to cooking, attending a wedding, enjoying a evening snacks and ending the day with tomato rice and squid fry. If you like my vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes. I will be back with another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.